Hi guys, this is just a short video to kind of help you out with the technology of this task. You can create anything you want, but some of the things you're going to want to keep in mind. You're going to want to use line segments always to create your picture. You're going to draw your line, and then you can change the color to make it whatever you'd like. Oops. You can also change the weight of it to make it thicker and easier to see. So as you go through, that's just some little tips to help you out and have some fun. One thing you're going to want to make sure you do is start with the little plus sign here on a good intersection of two parts of your line, though. Okay, and then that way you'll be able to get it from point to point easier. Okay, and don't forget you can change your colors, the color, but just have fun with it. I can't wait to see what you create.